Color plays a powerful role in web design, influencing mood and guiding users' actions. Today, let's explore how to use color theory to pick the right colors for your website. 1. The basics of the color wheel. The color wheel helps us understand primary, secondary, and complementary colors. Complementary colors opposite on the wheel create contrast, while analogous colors next to each other offer harmony. These combinations make for balanced designs. Second, warm versus cool colors. Warm colors, reds, oranges, create energy, while cool colors, blues, greens, feel calm. Choose colors based on the mood you want to convey. This choice can strongly impact user perception. 3. Choosing a color scheme. Popular schemes include monochromatic, one color in various shades, complementary, two contrasting colors, and triadic, three equally spaced colors. Match your scheme to your brand's tone and audience. 4. Guide actions with color. Using bright, contrasting colors for calls to action helps draw attention and encourages clicks. 5. Ensure accessibility. High contrast between text and background colors improves readability. Use contrast checkers to ensure your design is accessible to all users. Color theory is essential to web design.